Hi, Jojo. What's your name?
Daddy.
Is your name Georgie? How old are you, Georgie? Where's Papa? Where's Papa?
He's sleeping.
Where's Henry?
It's like that.
Right there. Where's Mama?
It's like that.
Right here. Where's Junie?
It's going to bed.
She's still in bed. How old are you?
Daddy.
Are you 2? Georgie, can you make a 2 with your fingers?
What? 2.
2. Are you going to school today?
Yeah, I have my beer.
You gonna go see your Bia? Who are your friends?
Madison.
Who else?
Madison.
Madison? Who are your other friends?
News.
Anoush?
Yeah, a news.
Who else?
A news. A news.
How's about Daniela?
Daniela.
Who are your other friends?
My Mama cereal.
More cereal, please.
Yeah, please.
I love you.
Yeah, I love you.